pinching hip pain that we have with squats has plagued people since well before the 80s. So let's see if we can fix it. We'll start with a simple hip opener. So what you want to do is start in this 90-90 position. From here, we're going to raise this leg as far as you possibly can before this leg comes up off the ground. Once that starts to pop up, we'll go ahead and switch to the other side. And from there, we'll do the same thing back and forth for about 5 times. Really feeling a stretch in the front of the hips, opening those up. Next, we'll use a band to help decompress the hip a little bit in that squat pattern. So what you want to do is take the band, wrap it up against your hip there. You're going to get some tension on the band, and from here, you're basically going to push back and forth, simulating that squat motion. This you can repeat for 2 or 3 sets of 10, and it should feel really nice on the hip, decompressing it as we go through that range of motion. Last, we're going to work that squat pattern with a band around the knees to stimulate using those glutes. So what you want to do is push your knees out into the band as we squat down, hold for about a second or two, a little further, hold for about a second or two, and we're going to go down until you start to feel that pinching spot on the hip. From there, we're going to move up about an inch, and here we just want to hold for like 10 or 15 seconds. This we can repeat for 3 to 5 sets, and this will get us ready for that squat that we're going to do with the bar. As always, you may need an assessment to actually fix the issue in the hip, but sometimes these will fix it before you have to get in to see a doctor. So go ahead and give them a try, because if you can fix yourself, you should. And if you can't, we're here.